Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. This is Mohit Chaudhary. Welcome to this very special video of ours. And in this particular video, I am here to talk about one of the greats of the game, the stalwart, the pillar of Indian cricket even now, the person who sort of revolutionized the way opening batting was looked like, the one who became the epitome of intent and fearlessness and selflessness in white ball cricket, and that is Rohit Sharma. And at this point in time, as we can all see, I'm standing here at the Eden Garden Stadium here in Kolkata, the gorgeous ground right behind me. And whenever we talk about Rohit Sharma in Eden Gardens, it's a very, very special connection out there because this is the very ground where of course, he made his test debut as well and he scored that century, 177 runs. And once again, the moment we talk about Rohit Sharma in Eden Gardens, we immediately think of the 264 runs that he smashed against Sri Lanka. That wonderful, wonderful, famous double century of his. And once again, when we talk about Rohit Sharma and ODI cricket, we think about his three double centuries. One was right here at this very ground, the 264 against Sri Lanka. And the other two, the 208 runs versus Sri Lanka once again in Mohali, and the 209 runs versus Australia at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium. So, Rohit Sharma and ODI cricket these two have always been synonymous with power, with passion, with intent, and with those wonderful double hundreds. Well, he made his ODI debut in the year 2007 in Ireland at the Belfast Stadium, and ever since then, his performance has just gone up with each passing year, and he has proven himself not just as a batter, an opening batter in the format, but also as a successful captain. When we talk about Rohit Sharma and ODI cricket, we instantly think of the year 2019, where he had that stellar campaign. He smashed 5 centuries in that very season, emerging as the highest run scorer with an average of 81, 648 runs throughout. And that became one of the world records. That became one of the greatest things that he has ever achieved in his career. 2019 he was in the form of his life during that particular ODI World Cup. Once again, 2023, yes, it ended on a disappointing, heartbreaking note for him because despite having a great run, despite having an unbeaten streak throughout, they were unable to lift the trophy at the end. But it is still talked about far and wide as one of India's best campaigns till date. And Rohit Sharma, well, he emerged as India's second highest run scorer, 597 runs to his name, along with a century, 131 runs against Afghanistan at the Firozshah Kotla Stadium in Delhi. So he made his impact throughout the campaign, but at the same time, he made sure to also lead with the bat and set an example. 2025 was the year when we had the Champions Trophy, and there we remember once again they had a very good campaign throughout. And in the finals, he stepped up with the bat exactly when it mattered the most and smashed those 76 runs against New Zealand to lead India to victory and to to lift the prestigious trophy of the Champions Trophy outside of India. Once again in 2025, as we all remember, the India versus Australia series, which took place in Australia, he emerged as the highest runs scorer of the series, 202 runs at an average of 101 across 3 games. He also smashed a century in Sydney, became the player of the series, and of course he asserted his dominance in style. So while there's a lot of buzz surrounding Rohit Sharma, a lot of people can talk about different things, there's always talk regarding Rohit Sharma. But there's no denying the fact that he is one of the greatest of the game. He is a stalwart, the pillar of Indian batting. And obviously, people love him, people adore him, people support him. And he has sort of achieved that over the years. The legacy that he has built over the years is remarkable. And once again, of course, this is what Rohit Sharma means to the people of India. People love him, support him, adore him. People are ready to defend him at any given point in time, and that is what he has achieved over the years. Yes, the records, yes, the trophies, yes, the runs, but also the love and support from millions of fans out there. I'll take your leave now from the Eden Garden Stadium here in Kolkata, but the video is not over because now I toss it to Sudisha, who joins us from Mumbai.
Hello everyone, this is Sudisha Sinha and I'm standing right here in front of the Wankhede Stadium. This is because when we are talking about Rohit Sharma's achievements, we cannot miss talking about this particular place. Imagine a little boy who was raised in Borivali wanted to become a cricketer. He wanted to represent his own country and also play in this stadium before that. And that is what he did. But what did this stadium give him in return after his legendary achievements is a whole stand named after him. I'm right. On 16th May 2025, there was the inauguration ceremony of the stands of the Wankhede Stadium, naming of the stands of the Wankhede Stadium, and one of the stands was named as the Rohit Sharma stand. And when he was called and he was honored with the opportunity to press the buzz and inaugurate the stand named after him, he gave that chance to his parents. That is what is Rohit Sharma for you. And if we talk about his performance in all the formats and achievements in all the formats, I feel like in Test cricket and in the T20 format, he has more achievements relatively in this particular stadium as far as Wankhede is concerned. Now, if we talk about IPL, because we have to a little, remember that the stadium that has the capacity of 33,000 and somewhat 300 people has no single empty seat left when Rohit Sharma, Captain Rohit Sharma, is playing in the IPL. Now, why is this important? Because I feel like this is also one of the important achievements. Now, when we are talking about Mumbai and who Mumbai looks upon when it comes to cricket, we only come to know with one name, and that is Sachin Tendulkar, the greatest of all times, Sachin Tendulkar. But with him, I think there's another name that has been added to the list when we talk about people who adore and look upon people as cricketers in Mumbai, and that is Rohit Sharma. Yes, remember that Rohit Sharma is called the Mumbai Cha Raja. This is because of his performance, and this is what shows how much the people love him in his own city. And I think this is what is also an important achievement. Yes, runs matter, yes, everything else matters, but how people look up to you as a player also matters the most. And this is what is going to be the end of this video, because if we keep talking about his achievements and if we keep talking about Rohit Sharma, I think this video will never end. So till that time, keep watching Ref Sports. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. For Ref Sports, this was Sudhisha Sinha after Mohor Chaudhary.